IELTS Listening. Section 1. You will hear a conversation between two friends, Sam and Lily, talking about their new eating habits. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. You will see that there is an example which has been done for you. On this occasion only, the part of the conversation relating to the example will be played first.
Sam, you consume far too much soft drink.
Sam consumes far too much soft drink, so soft drink has been written in the space. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen because you will not hear the recording a second time. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Hi, Sam. I think we need to talk about your eating habits. You consume far too much soft drink.
I know, Lily. I've also been eating badly lately. I've been eating a lot of pizza and chips, especially after class.
Exactly. Pizza and chips are fine sometimes, but not almost every day. And the soft drink is a real problem.
You're right. From now on, I'm going to stop drinking soda. I'll try water or fresh juice instead.
Good. We need a plan that is healthy but easy to follow.
I agree, but I don't want to stop eating pizza completely.
You don't have to, but we should only have pizza once a month.
Once a month? That sounds difficult, but I can try.
Good. We also need to add exercise to the plan.
I don't want anything too hard at first.
That's fine. On weekends, we can go for weekend walks. It will be simple and we can choose different places each week.
That sounds good. Walking is easier than going to the gym every day.
And we should choose one reward day each week.
How about Friday? If we eat well during the week, Friday can be our reward day.
Friday is a good idea, but the reward should still be small.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10. Now listen carefully and answer questions 6 to 10.
So for our small rewards, what are we going to choose?
We can choose from a small snack, some fruit, or a small portion of nuts.
Okay, let's start with Tuesday. I'll choose nuts on Tuesday because they keep me full.
Then I'll choose a snack on Tuesday, maybe something small after lunch.
What about Thursday?
On Thursday, I think I'll have nuts. They're healthier than something sweet.
In that case, I'll choose fruit on Thursday. Maybe an apple or some grapes.
Good choice. And for Sunday?
I'll have nuts again on Sunday. I know it's the same as Tuesday, but I really like them.
That's okay. I'll have fruit on Sunday. It'll be a lighter way to finish the week.
So the plan is clear. Less junk food, no soda, pizza once a month, weekend walks. Friday is our reward day, and small rewards during the week.
Exactly. If we follow this plan, we should both feel healthier soon.
Answers: 1. Pizza and chips. 2. Soda. 3. Month. 4. Weekend walks. 5. Friday. 6. S. Lily chooses snack on Tuesday. 7. F. Sam chooses fruit on Thursday. 8. And Lily chooses nuts on Thursday. 9. And Sam chooses nuts on Sunday. 10. F. Lily chooses fruit on Sunday. Subscribe to the channel for more IELTS practice. Improve your listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills with regular practice videos. Start practicing today, build your confidence, and work towards a higher band score. Click subscribe now and keep learning with us. Practice today. Succeed tomorrow.